How to remove clock on lock screen Android. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to easily remove the clock on your lock screen. First thing first, head over to settings. Once you open your settings up, find wallpaper and styles. From here you have an option to customize your lock screen. You could also find the option on lock screen and AOD if you have it, but I only have things about biometrics and my passkeys. So what I'm going to do is go to wallpaper and styles and tap on my lock screen. As you can see here, currently I have this big clock on my lock screen. So if you want to remove the clock, all you have to do is just tap on it. You'll see a different kind of font and color here. And if you tap on the three dots, you can change the font again. Now in order to remove it, you're going to go to style and you can make a different style. So if you just want it to be minimalistic or an analog clock, you could do that as well, or you could just bring out an entire calendar as well. Now in order to remove it, you're going to have to find something called no clock. So you can just go ahead and drag it, tap on it, go to style, and then from here select the one that you want to set. It seems like after the update they have removed the option to remove the clock, but you used to have an option called no clock here to remove the lock screen clock. As you guys can see here, before the update you used to have this option called no clock, and your clock would be removed from here. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.